Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can edit a picture's perspective in the Photos app on your iPhone 11 or the 11 Pro running iOS 13. Now first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up and then tap on Photos app. In the Photos app, go back to the albums that you want to use. So I'm going to go back to the albums root folder, and then I'm going to launch the recent album. Next, select a photo that you want to change. So for example, this photo here, and then tap on the edit button at the top, then tap on the crop button right here, and then down here are the perspective buttons. Now tap on that. Now you can see when I tap on that, there are two different perspective buttons you can change. There is the vertical perspective and horizontal perspective. Now when you tap on that, you can see another bar appears down at the bottom here. You can tap on this bar to change the perspective. As you can see, as I move, the picture changes its perspective. Now do not drag the handle up here. This does not change the perspective of the photos. It's just basically allowing you to crop the image. So do not drag on the handle unless you want to crop the image. Just simply drag the bar down here to flip, to change the perspective. And then you can tap on that one there to change vertical perspective. And this button over here allows you to rotate an image to a maximum of 45 degrees. So either negative 45 or positive 45 degrees. And then once you're happy, just tap on the done button. Additionally, there are other editing buttons up here, such as flipping and rotating, that you can also choose to use. And once you're happy, just tap on the done button, and that's it. So that is a new photo right there. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.